Have you ever seen a building looking very displaced while construction is ongoing or something like this? It simply means it has no setting out or poor setting out. For those of you that are just hearing the word setting out for the very first time, it means transferring your building plan from paper to ground that will aid or guide your construction. It's a crucial first step in any construction project that requires precision and the right materials. On today's video, I'm going to be talking about the tools and materials needed for setting out, and also taking you through the setting out process of a 4-bedroom duplex. By 4-bedroom duplex, I mean a modern, spacious building that has ground floor and first floor, where the ground floor comprises of a spacious family sitting room or a lounge, or what some people call parlor in our local way, a dining, a kitchen and a kitchen store, a visitor's toilet, and also a room that is an in-suite, a room that has a toilet and bath for your visitor or your guests. Then at the upper floor, you have numbers of rooms according to the size of the structure. But in this case, we have 3-bedroom in-suites on the upper floor and a general sitting room where the family can also come together to discuss one or two things. It may or may not have a visitor's toilet. This is generally seen as 1-story or 2 floors residential building for comfort, elegance, and functionality. It is ideal for families or individuals who desire a blend of privacy or communal living. If this sounds interesting to you, sit back as I take you through the site process of setting out a 4-bedroom duplex. Setting out is basically done through markings. We have 2 approaches of carrying out is setting out, either by using the theodolite station or a manual process. In this video, we are going to be taking you through the manual process of setting out. There are some materials we need when carrying out a setting out. Number 1, the wooden peg. 2, the metal angle. 3, the 2x2 wood. 4, the strings or lines. Number 5, nails. 6, marker. 7, POP chalk or powder or white sand. Number 8, measuring tape. 9, plumb bob. Others include spade, shovel, wheelbarrow, and pickaxe. Want a full detailed description of these tools and materials I just mentioned? Please feel free to click the description below and download it for yourself. Having known the tools and materials you need for your setting out, it is very important to note these few things before you start your setting out. Number 1, making sure that you go through your drawing to check for irregularities that will hinder or be an obstacle on the day of your setting out. Secondly, you must have visited the site before the day of your setting out. This will enable you to know the type of foundation you will be carrying out on the day of your setting out. Now that you are here, having carried out all the necessary things that you need to do, the next thing is to get your plan and pick a reference point on the land using your peg. Fasten it into the ground, then put your nail at the middle of the peg. Then tie the line from that point and take it to the next point on both axes K and Y. Then use the angle to ascertain if you have gotten the straight line. This is done on all sides of the building, both vertical and horizontal, running your line through left to right and front to back. Ensure that the pegs are properly aligned with the aid of threads and set square. This is achieved either using 3-4-5 method or set square alignment. Personally, I use both to achieve a good result. By doing this, you will be able to achieve 1 meter around the building. But make sure when doing this, you adhere to the setbacks conditions set for the project or the area. Personally, I use both 3-4-5 and set square alignment to achieve a better setting out result and giving room for enough excavation. When all the lines are marked out with nail on the 2x2 wood fastened on the peg and lines are connected from one end to another, then the white sand or POP powder or chalk, as the case may be, is now used to mark the ground for excavation. But in this case, none of these items listed last was used for marking of this foundation. This is because As you can see on the site, we still have some grass everywhere. So we were able to use our shovel to scrape off the grasses to enable us have the line where excavators will excavate. Please note, every builder or contractor has their own procedure of carrying out a setting out. However, these are the basic steps that run through all setting out procedures. I advise it is always important to get an experienced engineer to work with the architect when doing your setting out in order to achieve a proper alignment. If you need the services of an architect, a project planner or scheduler, or an experienced engineer to carry out your construction, quantity surveyor, please feel free to contact the number you see on the screen. In my next video, I'm going to be giving you a detailed video of the costing analysis of what it costs for building a 4-bedroom duplex from foundation to DPC. If you're interested in getting that video, let me know in the comment section, and also let me know what you want to know about this 4-bedroom duplex construction in the comment section. If you have watched up till now, please give this video a like so that YouTube algorithm will help me push it to more audience out there. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell if you have not yet done so, so you'll be notified each time I post a new video. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back to watch my video. This is Hope Construction and Project Management. My name is Chineye Hope Unyekwere. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.